Hi, yes. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to our channel, Sri Hari Teacher Tricks. So, today I am going to explain about the mathematics only. So, recently I did that mimicry. After that, chemistry also completed atoms and molecules. That everything explained atomic structure. So, atoms, molecule, electronic configuration, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbitals. So, after that, today I am going to explain the statistics. This is the one of the topic of the 10th class CBSE and state syllabus also. Not only CBSE 10th class, after 10th intermediate secondary also 2A, which is the one of the topic in 2A chapter 8. 2A intermediate chapter 8 also same like. So little bit difference are. Today I am saying the statistics. So in this group and ungrouped data. One is two types are there, group and ungrouped. So grouped data is different, ungrouped data is different. Group and ungrouped. Ungrouped means mean, two types are there, group, ungrouped. Mean in ungrouped, that is simple, sum of observation by number of observation. So, okay, mean ungrouped, sum of observation by number of observation. The one of the topic in that ungroup. In the group, three formulas are there. Group mean 1, 2, 3. First one is direct method. First one is direct method, that is called sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So bar x also is x bar. Direct method mean sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So next assume mean method. Assume mean. So also x bar equal to the formula a plus sigma fi xi by sigma fi wrong fi di by sigma fi. A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is this sigma fi? What they are given? They will give two box, class interval, frequency. Class interval, for example, what they will do class interval, suppose like this, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So difference is what is that? 10. The difference is 10. Then what is that? This is called Ci, this is F. For example, find out Xi value. Some frequency, whatever it may be, 2, 3, 4, something. Add this 2 by 2. What will come? 20 plus 10, 30 by 2 is the 15. Add this to 25 by 2 is 30 plus 40, 70 by 2 is 35. So like that, x value, then you can do f by x multiply. 2 into 15, 3 into 25, 4 into 35. Then you can write. This is total value after f by xi, you can write here f by xi. Then this value, the total, this is called sigma fi xi. I will explain this one. Okay, so like that, sigma fi xi, sigma fi is the frequencies. Add this all everything here. This is called sigma fi. This is sigma fi. It is sigma fi xi. There is the formula direct method sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So find the mean in direct method means like that. Find the mean. Assume mean method means a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. A plus means you have to find the a value. What is the a value? Xi minus. A means you can d value with it. D equal to xi minus a. Where is x means mid value of this one. Mean value, not this one, and here. Xi value which is middle value. Even suppose even number, you can take through. Here what is there? Suppose 3 are there. This is called A. If you 4, suppose 45 is there. You can take 35 or 25. That is called A. Di value. Di is the formula. Di equal to xi minus A. This is Di. So to find out and last you can multiply that process and use this process and complete. This is second method. Assembly method. Third one. Step deviation. Step deviation. STEP. Step deviation method. Deviation. Step deviation means bar x equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. Okay. A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. It is find the mean in the direct method, assuming method, step deviation method. So those 3 methods in the group data. So what is that group data? 3 methods are there. Direct method, assuming method, step deviation method. You have to find out. They will ask particular question. Some numbers are given. What is the mean of natural numbers on to 10? Add that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus some add by 10. That is ungrouped data. To find the mean in direct method use this formula. Find the mean assuming use this formula. Find the mean step deviation method use this formula. If they will ask particularly use this formula. If they did not ask anything, they gave a box, arrow, find the mean. Very easy to solve that directly. So this is called mean. So another one is mode and median. Mode. Next one is mode. What the mode and the mean? Mode is ungrouped is there. Is also grouped and ungrouped. Ungrouped. Most repeated value. Ungrouped means repeated value. 2, 3, 4 and 6, 2, 3, 6 and 4 and 5, 7, 3. What is that? Mode means 6, 4 2 times what? 6 2 times, 2 also 2 times, but 3 times. So that's what is the mode is answer is 3. Most repeated value mode. That is ungrouped. In the grouped, ungrouped over. Now grouped. So mode is and the grouped formula. GROUP grouped. This is grouped. The formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H is class size. Means class interval size. Differences. F1 suppose there is 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40 like. This is called class interval and frequency is given 3, 5, 7 something. Where is that? Mode. Highest value you can apply. Here the 7 is highest. Suppose and 40 and here 50. Here 4 is there. Suppose. So 4 numbers are. Okay. This is called F1, F0 and F2. F1, F1, F0, F1, F2. So what you got highest frequency that is known as F1. Above that F0, below that F2. So you can underline this value. This is called L value. We got L value 30. H value size difference is 10. F1 value is there. F0 value is there. F2. Substitute the values, then we will get answer. Okay. What is H value here? Differences. That is 10. What is L value here? 30. Okay. F1 already is there. F0 is there. F2 is there. Use this formula and find out the values. Substitute the values. Then you will get answer. Then you can solve that sum. So this is called the mode in the group data processor. Next one is median. So median, that formula ungrouped. N by 2 or n plus 1 by 2. Median. Median n by 2 or n plus 1 by 2. Use this. This is called ungrouped. Median. Median group formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So, okay. What is that? 3 boxes again. So class interval will give again same 10 and 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So like this class interval is given. So like this class interval, then after there will be frequency also. F value 2, 3, 7 and 9 and 4 something is given. So what is given you can write, and CF also you can write, say cumulative frequency. What is the CF is cumulative frequency, right? As it is the number 2, add this 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 4 25. So what is the answer? Last one, this is called n value. So n equal to 25. We got n. Then after that you have to do n by 2. N by 2 equal to 25 by 2, that is 12.5. Okay, 25 12. Where is that 12.5 in this CF, in this box? Not there, no? 12.5. That's why you have to take more than that value, then you can underline. Okay, more than that value, suppose 12.5. Here 12 is there. 12.5 more than that value, you can underline this. After that, you have to find out these values. Above this is known as CF, this is known as F, this is known as 40 is the L. H value 10. H value 10, L value 40, n by 2 we got already 12.5. CF value above this one, this is called CF 12, and F value is a 9. Take the values, write the formula and substitute here, then you will answer. Okay, what is the formula? Once again I am telling, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So this values, substitute this value, then you will get the answer. So this process, how to find out 3 steps are there in the 10th class. 14.1, 14.2, 14.3. 14.1 is a mean. There is a 3 methods are there: direct method, assuming method, step deviation method. And second one is mode. There are also one form, 2 boxes only: class interval and frequency. The formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I explained already how to find out F1. Highest frequency on the line, that is called F1. Above that is F0, below that is F2. L value, that's lower boundary. H value, class size. You have to use the formula by. Third one is median. So median, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So I told already this also. Find out the cumulative frequency, one more box. The last number is 25. Find out n by 2. N by 2 value, total cancel, then you want something else. Where is that? In cumulative frequency, not available. More than that number underlined. Above that CF, this is F, this is L value. Take the values, substitute the formula, then calculation part, then you will answer. So this is statistics of mean, median, mode. Anyone will see answer? What is meant by center tendency? Anyone? What is meant by central tendency? Mean, median, mode is known as central tendency. Mean, median, mode is known as central tendency. That's also one of the most important. And one more thing I forgot to say starting. Actually, this lesson, father of the statistics. One more person is there. Who is the father of statistics? Sir Ronald Fisher. Sir Ronald Fisher is a statistician. So you want to explain that it is called that way. Is the father of statistics. So statistics are the most important one of the topic in 10th class and CBSE and ICSE also. It's the most must and should it will come. And second part is graph. So afterwards we'll explain about graph also most important must and should. They will give this pattern. Every year they are giving the graph. Last paper 2 one graph, paper 1 also one graph. The paper 2 most important only the statistics. There is a 2 types, less than cumulative frequency, LCF. One more is more than cumulative frequency, GCF. That is more than GCF, greatest, okay, cumulative frequency. Well, you can find out field experiments. Thank you very much. Thank you.